English idioms in the kitchen. Understanding, rinse the blender. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rinse the blender. This is a common instruction you might encounter in recipes or when cleaning up in the kitchen. Let's break it down together so you can use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. Rinse the blender is a straightforward phrase composed of two main words, rinse and blender. To rinse means to wash something with clean water to remove soap, dirt, or other unwanted substances. A blender, on the other hand, is a common kitchen appliance used to mix, puree, or chop food and other substances. So, when we say, rinse the blender, we are talking about cleaning the blender by washing it out with water. This phrase is commonly used in two scenarios. 1. After using the blender, after blending ingredients, you'll often need to clean the appliance. Here, rinse the blender means to wash out any remaining food particles or residue. 2. Before using the blender, sometimes, recipes will instruct you to rinse the blender before use. This ensures that the blender is clean and free from any dust or residues that might have settled since its last use. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday situations. In recipes, after making the smoothie, rinse the blender immediately to avoid residue sticking. In cleaning tips, to maintain your blender, rinse the blender with warm water after every use. In kitchen safety, before making your soup, rinse the blender to ensure it's free from any leftover particles. Understanding phrases like rinse the blender can make following English recipes and maintaining kitchen hygiene much easier. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and use of this common kitchen-related phrase. Happy cooking and cleaning, and see you in our next video.